Hello students, now integration is the reverse of differentiation. I am uploading video number 2 on practice question. See, ddt of v is equal to acceleration a, correct? Taking antiderivative or integration both sides, so this becomes dv a dt with proper limits, within proper limits. इसका क्या मतलब है within proper limits? Means limits we choose according to our choice. When time is 0, velocity is u. When the time is t, velocity is v. तो ये formula integration of dx, lower limit, upper limit, that is x, lower limit, upper limit. तो dv is v, u to v, a, dt is t, 0 to t. Correct? So upper limit is v minus u, a, t minus 0. So what is this? V is equal to u plus at. V is called final velocity, u is called initial velocity, a is called uniform acceleration, t of course is time. So dear students, this also a simple way to grip integration, because फिजिक्स के अंदर आपने लंबे लंबे क्वेश्चंस थोड़ी करने होते हैं, पहले आप इसको स्मूथ करो प्रैक्टिस करके, और मैंने ये फिजिक्स भी सिखा दी इस क्वेश्चन में, कोशिश की मतलब, और मैंने डेरिवेटिव इंटीग्रल वो भी आपको टीच करने की कोशिश की. जैसे ये dv अपॉन dt है, इसको हम a इक्वेशन 1 मान लेते हैं, टेकिंग antiderivative या antiderivative, yes, वेटिव with proper limits, या taking integral, okay, proper limits. So that is what we people talk about, right? Taking antiderivative or integration with proper limit. So lower limit is u, upper limit is v, dv, a, dt 0 to t, dv becomes v, u to v, a is constant out, t 0 to t, v minus u, a into t minus 0. Hope it is clear. Thank you.